How to make Google Form public but not editable. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to make Google Form public but not editable. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Google Forms and tap on the first link you see there. You will be led to the official webpage of Google Form. Here on the top, you will see the option for sign in. Tap on that and go ahead and sign yourself in at the first place. Once signed in, to make Google Form public but not editable, open an existing form and tap on the settings option you see there. And now, under settings, you will see responses drop down. Tap on that and go ahead and make sure the toggle button for allow response editing is toggled off. If not, then go ahead and toggle off the button for allow response editing, as when this option is enabled, responses can be changed even after being submitted. So once this is enabled, your Google Form will be public but not editable. So this is how you can make Google Form public but not editable. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.